If you're an adventurer, then you've probably dreamed about visiting Iceland. It's a place of famous geysers, majestic waterfalls, and beautiful black sand beaches. In this video, I'm going to share the 10 best places to visit in Iceland. 1. Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon is Iceland's most well-known tourist attraction, and it is situated on the Reykjavik Peninsula less than an hour's drive from Reykjavik. Superheated seawater released from a neighboring lava flow feeds this artificial lake. The geothermal waters contain minerals like silica that are said to offer health advantages, but what draws most people is the opportunity to unwind in a boiling lagoon surrounded by black lava rocks. A 35-room resort offers a restaurant with a lagoon view as well as a variety of luxuries like spa services, saunas, steam rooms, and a fully furnished fitness center. 2. Golden Circle Route. A fascinating selection of Iceland's distinctive tourist attractions, including historical monuments, sleepy villages, geysers, and waterfalls, can be found in the area immediately east of Reykjavik. Numerous tour operators provide day-long trips through the region via the streets and highways together referred to as the Golden Circle Route. The most well-liked tours include stops at Geyser Hot Springs, where the word geyser originated, and Gullfoss, where the enormous Golden Falls thunder through the Fida River Canyon. Ancient Thingvellir, which marks the location where Iceland's nation was founded in 930, is also frequently included in the tour. 3. Vatnajökull National Park. The Vatnajökull National Park, which contains the largest glacier in Europe, is so massive that it covers around 14% of the nation. The park is divided into 4 individually maintained territories, with Skafterfell in the south being the most popular. Here, hiking routes take you past blue-tinted glacial tongues and waterfalls. Hardy explorers can scale the Vatnajökull Glacier or visit the Lagoon, a long line of volcanic craters. The park also has a ton of easily accessible attractions, like the impressive Getaway waterfall, which is well known for the sheer amount of water that it can produce.
4. Jökulsárlón. There aren't many vacation experiences in Iceland that can compare to witnessing an iceberg break off a glacier and plummet into the water. The Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is the ideal location to view this manifestation of nature's strength. This lake, which is strewn with icebergs and is situated in southeast Iceland, was created by the Breidamörkurjökull Glacier, which is a well-known tourist destination in and of itself. From the island's ring road, you can glimpse the lake and its slowly moving floating icebergs, but nothing compares to seeing them up close from the deck of a tour boat. 5. Reykjavik. For a capital with a population of only about 120,000, Reykjavik occupies an area that is unusually extensive, spanning the Seltjarnarnes Peninsula in southwest Iceland. On the west side of the city, close to the scenic Lake Jornin, is where most visitors start. The National and Saga museums, which are both packed with artifacts detailing Iceland's Viking origins, are must-see destinations. Take the elevator to the observation deck of the modern Hallgrímskirkja church east of the lake for a comprehensive view of the city. The main thoroughfare of Laugaveggur is also worthwhile exploring due to its appealing selection of stores, bars, and restaurants. 6. Mývatn. Mývatn, the largest lake in Iceland, was created by a flood of hot lava thousands of years ago. To eat the midges that give Mývatn its name, more than 100 different species frequent this lake. The so-called pseudo-craters that dominate the area, which were shaped by volcanic eruptions spewing up through the water, draw tourists as well. The south coast of the lake, close to the little town of Skútustaður, is the finest site to see the craters. At Dynjaborgir, the lava fields east of Mývatn, you can see a forest of pillars, caves, and rock formations that were formed as the water drained away.
7. Thingvellir National Park. Thingvellir National Park is of paramount historical significance to the island nation of Iceland since it served as the site of the establishment of Iceland's parliament in the 10th century. It is also a park of geological interest because of its placement in a rift valley at the intersection of 2 significant tectonic plates. The valley's cliffs, fissures, lakes, and signs of volcanic activity, which are surrounded by mountains on 3 sides, dramatically display the force of the Earth's shifting. Iceland's first national park is a popular day trip from Reykjavik and has well-marked trails that allow you to see the best sights in 2 to 3 hours. 8. Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar is a region in Iceland's inner highlands that is well known for its beautiful hiking paths. It is a part of the Fjalabak Nature Reserve. The flat, accessible area, which is located on the edge of a lava field, is widely known for its natural hot springs. Short hikes through the lava field and ascents of Mtiblanjukur, a nearby rhyolite mountain that ridges Landmannalaugar's gravel plains, are both popular treks. In the height of the tourist season, tour groups frequently take day trips to the area, and there are basic lodging options for overnight stays there as well.
9. Húsavík. Húsavík, a little fishing community in northern Iceland, is gradually establishing a reputation as one of the best places in Europe to see whales. From the tour boats, mink, humpback, and blue whales, as well as white-beaked dolphins and harbor porpoises, are the most often seen species. The Húsavík Whale Museum presents numerous life-size bones and provides a plethora of information about whales as well as a history of whaling in Iceland. It's also worthwhile to pay a quick visit to Húsavíkurkirkja, a charming wooden church constructed in 1907. 10. Hornstrandir Nature Reserve. No area compares to the pristine wilderness of the Hornstrandir Nature Reserve in the Westfjords for viewing Iceland in its natural splendor. Although the Hornstrandir's rugged landscape of jagged mountains and sheer sea cliffs poses difficulties, it is the perfect location for nature lovers who enjoy adventure. However, hikers must be prepared for any emergency because there are no stores or services within the reserve. The Hornfjord, a towering sea cliff situated on the reserve's northernmost point, is a popular hiking attraction. In the summer, guided tours are offered, enabling you to take in this once-in-a-lifetime event in comparatively safety and comfort.